In every human heart, there is a deep, timeless longing, a desire to transcend, to find peace beyond the noise, and discover the truth of who we really are. Namaste and welcome back. Today we are diving into a sacred prayer from the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, an ancient Vedic text. This mantra is a journey, an appeal to the universe for transformation. It is called the Asto Ma Sadgamaya mantra. Let's explore each part of this prayer together. First, let's chant this mantra together. Allow yourself to be fully present, feeling each word resonate within you. Om Asto Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Amritam Gamaya. This mantra is short, but each line holds profound wisdom. Let's look closer at what each part means and how we can bring these truths into our daily lives. Asto Ma Sadgamaya, lead me from untruth to truth. Here we are asking for guidance to move beyond illusions. Asat refers to everything that is temporary, changeable or deceptive. It is anything that takes us away from the core of who we are. This line calls us to seek Sat, that which is real, eternal and unchanging. It is a reminder to peel back the layers of false identities we often adopt and reconnect with our true divine essence. Tamso Ma Jyotirgamaya, lead me from darkness to light. Darkness here represents ignorance, misunderstanding and confusion. How often do we find ourselves lost, unsure of the next step, or trapped in limiting beliefs? This line is a request to find clarity, to be illuminated by knowledge and self-awareness, so we can see ourselves and the world without distortion. It is the light of understanding and wisdom guiding us out of the shadows. And then we reach the final line, a beautiful culmination of the prayer. Mrityurma Amritam Gamaya, lead me from death to immortality. This is a prayer to move beyond the fear of physical death, but also beyond the death of ideas, identities and attachment that no longer serves us. We are asking to recognize the essence within us that is eternal, unchanging, our true immortal self. This line is about transcending the limitations of our body, mind and ego and embracing the pure consciousness that resides within. When we chant this mantra, we are not just asking for blessings. We are making a powerful commitment to live a life of truth, clarity and spiritual freedom. Let's take a moment to feel its power and meditate on its message. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Amritam Gamaya. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Amritam Gamaya. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Each line of the Asto Ma Sadgamaya mantra invites us to reflect and align with our highest self. Let this be more than words. Make it a call to awaken, to grow and to transform. And as you chant it daily, you will find that you are drawn closer to a life filled with light, love, and purpose. Thank you for joining me in this journey of wisdom and peace. If this mantra resonates with you, make it a part of your daily practice. Let's continue to walk the path of truth, light, and eternity together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful mantras, spiritual practices, and transformative insights. Namaste.